without you. I'm me, with or without you. Just me, with or without you. I'll be with or without you. Just me. I love my hair, I love my skin, I love the way I talk, I love the way I walk. Hey. So with or without you, I'm me, with or without you. Just me.
Hey guys, it's Yaya and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to do this review for some raw shea butter straight from Africa, Ghana, Africa. What I really love about this company is that they are fair trade and they're really giving back to the women who actually really put in the labor and hard work to make shea butter that goes all around the world. Tons and tons of shea butter. It's going all around the world and these women are still in poverty. It doesn't make sense. So they're making an effort to make sure they're being paid fair wages so they can not only feed themselves but their children. It's a beautiful story and I couldn't wait to take part in it. So although this video is not sponsored, I did receive the shea butter for free to give you guys a fair review, and I'm going to be as honest as I possibly can with you guys. The company is also offering free shipping and some discount codes you can get down below right now. Definitely check out the website where you can get a wealth of information about the team and what they're doing for the women of Africa. It lets you know the actual production date of the shea butter, when they made it, and the women who actually made it. So you know your shea butter is fresh and made by beautiful, amazing people who deserve fair wages. This is just awesome. I'm inspired and I definitely had to take part. As another effort to spread the information, Northshea is also doing a giveaway. For this raw shea butter, you can have a chance to win an 8-ounce pack. Just check the description box down below for your chance to win. We all know the wonders of shea butter. The benefits are endless for hair, skin, and health in general. One thing I really appreciate about the shea butter is super soft in its raw, unrefined form. Not a lot of plant butters are that way. Some of them are harder, some of them are softer, but I find that shea butter is one of the easiest ones to use and honestly probably the most widely used globally around the world. Shea butter may sometimes get a bad rep for being a little bit of a heavier butter in a sense, but I want to let you guys know that it definitely does not clog the pores. It definitely soaks in, absorbs well, and does an amazing job to help heal eczema, stretch marks, heal the skins if you have wounds, discoloration. Those type of things are great for the skin. Shea butter can also help the scalp and reduce dandruff and also keep moisture into your hair strands so they will not break off. Okay, so those are just some of the benefits of shea butter. There are numerous. Okay, we're going to be adding a little bit of olive emulsifying wax. It's just going to help add even more texture to this whipped butter that can be used for all purposes. Okay, the emulsifying wax is also going to help try to kind of stop it from melting so easily. You'll see later on that it does give it a different type of texture. Okay, you can use other emulsifying agents if you like to do that as well, but this is just one that I was trying and it seemed to work pretty okay, but I think next time I find something that's probably a little less heavy. Okay, now I'm going to be adding some jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and some argan oil. These are just going to be the liquid oils is going to give the butter a little bit more texture, and then also just going to help heal the skin more and just basically enhance the benefits of the shea butter. Okay, you could choose whichever oil you like to use. You can add other oils or you can remove some of these oils. It's all up to your preference. We're jumping right into the heated oil phase because we already have our butter, our oil, and our waxes, and we're just going to melt this down. Super simple, easy recipe. Okay. While you wait for that to melt down, you can go ahead and get your antioxidants and your fragrance together. I'm using vitamin E and just a few of my favorite essential oils to give this a light, beautiful scent. Shea butter is one of the few butters that actually has a very distinct smell. So just add some light fragrances that will complement it instead of trying to hide it, because it's very hard to mask the smell of shea butter. Alright, after about 20-30 minutes on low heat, we have melted butter. We still have a little bit of emulsifying wax hanging around there, but that's okay. The heat is going to melt it down. We don't want to overheat because we have some beautiful nutrients inside of these butters and oils that we do not want to disturb or destroy. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and make sure that we place this in the freezer for maybe another 20-30 minutes or longer until it slightly solidifies. So here, when I say slightly solidified, I mean you don't want it so so hard that you cannot put a spoon or something or ply through it. You want to make sure that once you put pressure on it, that it's just super soft and just beautiful. Okay, this is what you want. Okay, this is going to allow you to have a really beautiful fluffy whipped butter. Now, like I said before, the emulsifying wax is definitely going to give this a different texture than if you were to just have the shea butter and the oils. So definitely make sure you pay attention to that. And this is also the cool down phase, so now it's okay for you to add in your essential oils and your antioxidants. These are ingredients that are very sensitive to heat. Okay, as far as the texture from the emulsifying wax, it just gives it a little bit more stability, so it's not easily to melt and it holds together just a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to transfer that over into the bowl for the stand mixer, and then I'm going to go ahead and place it into the stand mixer so that it can whip up properly. Now, standard butter, once you start whipping it, it's going to whip up quickly, but because we have the emulsifying wax, it's going to take much longer to get that consistency that you're looking for. So you can definitely leave this a while until it starts to thicken. Once it starts to thicken, then I'm going to take it off and go ahead and add the blue spirulina so that it's evenly dispersed. Okay, then I'm going to place it back onto the stand mixer and whip it up to that really beautiful fluffy texture that we all know and love.
Centuries that told me I wasn't beautiful, but I know that everything about me is gold. With or without you, I'm me. With or without you, just me. With or without you, I'll be. With or without you, just me. I love my hair, I love my skin, I love the way I talk, I love the way I walk.
Alright, so this is close to what I was looking for. Just beautiful and silky, just so beautiful. You definitely can leave your butter like this. The preference of how much to whip or how much not to whip is definitely up to the individual and what you're looking for. So this was actually the first video where I used blue spirulina. I know you guys probably have seen the hair mask video where I did use blue spirulina, but this was actually the first video where I used the blue spirulina. And so I wanted to just take a small portion out and test the color and see how potent the pigment was. And from my experiment, I just realized that it takes a lot of spirulina to get the color you're looking for. Okay, but spirulina has some really beautiful benefits, mainly for the scalp and to help with hair loss and increased hair growth. It's also very great and nutritious for the skin, so I thought this would be the perfect ingredient to enhance the shea butter and also just add a pop of color. Okay, now like I said before, it took a lot of spirulina to get the vibrant blue that I was looking for, and even when I got that vibrant blue, it was very hard to see because of the camera lighting, so you guys really can't see just how vibrant and beautiful this color is. I did get some clips to show you guys, but for the most part, a lot of it doesn't show up. It just looks like a very pale light blue, but that is not the case, you guys, and you will see some clips where it is very blue. Alright, once you get the color that you're satisfied with, then you can go ahead and just color the whole batch. Color the whole batch. And I just wanted to say, even though this is such a beautiful texture that really is supported by the emulsifying wax, this is not the final texture. It will slightly solidify and be a little thicker, a lot thicker actually, once we whip it up some more. So here's a clip of that vibrant blue I was trying to tell you guys about, but like I said, the lighting definitely changes the way it looks. So now I'm just going to implement this back into the huge batch, and I'm going to color the rest of it, and we'll be back.
Cause you don't know who you are, and it makes me mad when you cover who you are. That's not your face, and it's okay. They chained us and trained us, tried to manipulate us, break us. Unbreakable is who we are. You are unstoppable. love you, baby.
This was no easy task, you guys. It definitely took a minute for this butter to whip up, and like I said before, this was mainly because of me adding the emulsifying wax, so it definitely takes longer to get that fluffier whipped butter that you're looking for. Okay, look how vibrant blue it is, so pretty, and then it goes back to this color because of the lighting. But anyway, I absolutely love it, you guys. It turned out exactly the way I wanted it to, and it's absolutely beautiful. Provides some great feel to the skin when I applied it. Just beautiful, melts right in. I also used this on my hair and on my scalp, and I have been using it now for a while. Okay, I really love it, and I hope you guys will definitely give it a try, or just use the shea butter to make whatever DIY creation you see fit. Shea butter is so versatile. I've seen it used in deep conditioners, leave-in conditioners, hairstyling creams, spritz, all different types of hair products, skincare products, all different types of products. So it's very versatile, and it's actually a lot more affordable than other plant butters. And just like that, we are done. Pick a container to your liking and place your butter inside, and you're done. That's it. Did you guys enjoy this DIY? Would you give it a try? What do you think about it? I absolutely love it, and I want to share it. So I've come up with an idea, and that is called the DIY testers. Basically, you guys will now have access to purchase the DIYs that I make on my channel that I necessarily will not sell on my website. So they're just maybe extra that I had left over, ones that maybe just didn't turn out as well as I wanted to, and other factors. The amount that's available can vary. It could be 1, it could be 2, it could be 7. Right now, of the whipped spirulina, I have 7 extra butters, so if any of you guys would like it, go check the website. It's in the description below. First come, first serve. Once it's sold out, it's sold out. Even if it's in your cart, it's sold out. So please make sure you're reading the tabs before you purchase. So once you go onto the website, it'll show you exactly where you go to check out the DIY testers and see exactly which one is available at that time. It's going to definitely vary. They're going to sell out and be back in restock. It just depends, but read each tab so you can know about the guidelines and policies for your safety and for mine. Okay, so you're not obligated to buy these are just for those who are interested in the DIYs that they see on my channel, that you could possibly never ever have access to, because I probably would never ever sell them. Okay, so yeah, this is Yaya's DIY testers. Please let me know what you think in the comment section down below about this new program. Good idea, bad idea, okay, not okay, whatever. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Hit the notification bell. That is the only way that you can keep up with all the DIYs and other things that I'm doing on this channel. Okay, make sure you check the description box for your chance to win the 8-ounce shea butter from Northshea. Definitely give them some support, you guys. They're doing some wonderful things over there. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Unbreakable is who we are. You are unstoppable. I love you, baby. Love you, baby. I love you, baby. Love you, baby. I really love you, baby. Love you, baby. Centuries they told me I wasn't beautiful, but I know that everything about me is gold. With or without you, I'm me. With or without you, just me. With or without you, I'll be. With or without you, just me. I love my hair, I love my skin, I love the way I talk, I love the way I walk. Do you walk? So with or without you, I'm me. With or without you, just me. Let freedom ring. Let freedom